Hey everybody, Carl here from Abt, and right behind me here is the new Samsung The Frame Pro television. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to properly unbox the 75-inch version and install the pedestal, so stick around. So our first step is going to be to cut through these 3 plastic straps that are surrounding the box, and that's going to give us access to the accessories that are located on the top. All right, so here we have the accessories. First up is the One Connect box. Next, we have a bag of accessories. There's some power cords in here along with the remote control. Moving on, we have the pedestal legs. And finally is the wall mount. So you do get pedestal legs and a wall mount, so you can decide which one you want to use. Okay, so now that we have all of the accessories out of the top, we're going to take off this top piece of styrofoam. Please be cautious when you're doing this because the styrofoam is wedged in there pretty good. So it does take a decent amount of effort to get it out of there, and you don't want to knock the TV over. But you kind of have to work it from both sides here until it loosens up, and then you can remove the whole thing. And now with the help of a second person, we're just going to lift the box off the TV. Once you have the box off, you're going to notice that there's these 3 cardboard tabs on the front and 3 on the back. You're going to remove those or lower those down, and then you're going to lower the front and the back piece of cardboard while the second person holds onto the TV to keep it steady. And then we're going to do the same thing on the back here. And then from there, you just lower or rip the cardboard, and that'll come down just like that. Now at this point, if you're not going to be wall mounting the TV, you're going to have to put the pedestal on, and there are a couple different ways you can do this. There's a wide configuration and a narrow configuration. Both methods involve moving these pieces of styrofoam on the bottom to different locations. We're going to show you how to do that right now. So no matter which configuration you choose, your first step is going to be to remove one of the side pieces of styrofoam by simply sliding it out from under the TV while the second person holds the TV steady. So now you can see here you have the wide pedestal spot exposed. So now we're going to move the center piece of styrofoam over. Just make sure you always have that second person holding the TV steady because it will fall over if you don't have somebody holding it upright. And this part is a little tricky. You kind of have to lift up on the TV, pull down on the styrofoam piece and slide it until it gets to a point where you can see both of the pedestal cutouts, just like that. Now you do have one more choice here. You can install this either in a low profile configuration or a soundbar configuration. If you're going to do the low profile one, you're going to want to use the lower 2 cutouts here. And if you want to set it up at the soundbar position, you're going to want to set it up on these 2 higher ones. All right, so now you're going to have the second person lift up on the TV slightly, and then you're going to put the pedestal into whatever position you choose. Okay. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. Just make sure that you do the same for each side. So if you do high on one, do it on the other. If you do low on one, do it on the other. And now that we have the pedestal installed, we're just going to remove those 2 bottom pieces of styrofoam along with the styrofoam packing material that's around the screen. And then we're going to lift the TV up and set it down on the counter. So as you can see, the setup is pretty simple, but the TV is big, so it can be a little awkward. So definitely make sure you have that second person there with you to help. If you want to learn more about the Frame Pro, make sure you check out our full overview on it. As always, we appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next one.